Hi everybody and welcome to May, right? April showers bring May flowers. So today we're going to talk about Mayflower Granny Power. And in this 31-day series, I'm going to share my favorite flower granny square projects with you. I love these groovy, fun project ideas, and with the warmer weather, granny projects are perfect. They're small, easy to bring along on trips, and nice to save up for cooler weather to piece together. So let's get started. Welcome to day 18. So this Etsy pattern is called the Crochet Pattern Flower Square. So not super creative with the name, but let's go ahead and open up this pattern by Crochet Object and see what they have to say about it. I'm a little intrigued by the use of the buttons. Do you see these buttons? I think they're really cute. So I'm a little intrigued by that. It looks like they have a few different ideas here. So I'm going to go ahead and look at this picture here because I think it might give us some idea of what we're looking at. Look how colorful that is. Crochet Objet. Objet or objet. I'm not sure if that's a French thing. Maybe it's objet. But I love these colors so much, and it looks like there's a very wide range of colors that they've used for this. And I want to say that all of the squares look different. I don't see any two that are exactly the same. So that's really intriguing to me. But I don't see the use of the buttons on the blanket here, or these squares, all of these squares together, like I do in this first picture, which was what kind of intrigued me to begin with. I guess you could add the buttons on to your squares, and that would be really cute. I wouldn't want to do that if it were on a baby blanket, you know, to be used by a baby, because I'd be afraid they'd pull off the buttons maybe and put them in their mouth. That would not be good. So let's just take a look at the description here. I'm curious what they list for difficulty rating and also if they give us a size. Let's just go ahead and scroll through here. It says the list of stitches is translated in UK English terms. So does that mean it's in UK terms? I'm assuming. It tells you what you're going to need. She did use a 3mm hook, which is a little small for me. I'm more of a size 5.5 or 6mm hook gal myself, but you know, that's all personal preference. As far as level goes, they say this is a step-by-step pattern followed by close-up pictures of each step to make it easier for you to follow. Even if you are a beginner, you do need to be familiar with basic crochet stitches. It looks like they do have looks like a little bit of a video for how to double crochet on YouTube, but that would be different in UK terms versus American terms. So it looks to me though like it's in UK terms. So if you're doing a double crochet in UK terms, that's a single crochet for American terms. Just a word to the wise out there. I'm going to open this picture because it kind of shows. Oh, I thought maybe it would show more of the actual PDF. Sometimes they'll show you a sample of what the pattern looks like, but it doesn't look like we're going to get that from this picture. Okay, let's check the reviews here. Lovely pattern. This was my first try attempting it, so there may be some mistakes in my first flower, but I love making the pattern, and it's giving me some ideas on making a cute pillow cover. Okay. So Erica did a very nice job with this. It doesn't look that difficult, really. I think what makes it so impressive looking is the use of so many colors. Emma says she made a tote bag out of it and it was so cute. This says beautifully packaged. The cottons are lovely to work with, and the pattern, the first I've ever followed, was so very well written in my opinion. Very nice. Very nice. And here are some pictures of some things that people have made with this. This looks different than the squares. Maybe they just used the flower, not the whole square. Daniela says, great instructions with a little practice, very easy to implement. My godchild gets the blanket for his birthday. Thank you very much. Very pretty. She's using a lot of beautiful colors. This one doesn't look like they've quite finished yet. Looks like they're still working on it. And this one looks a little more three-dimensional, so I'm kind of wondering if we're looking at different patterns here. I'm not positive. At any rate, it's a lovely pattern. Let me know in the comments below what you think of it. Is this something you would consider making, or is it just too darn many colors for you? I'd be very curious to know. All right. So again, that's a $7 pattern from Crochet Objet. And yeah, let me know what you think about it. Until tomorrow, I hope you're having a great night, and I hope you're enjoying this series. All right, have a good one. Bye-bye.